Alright, hi Miss.
Yes.
Can I ask you several questions?
Yeah.
Alright, do you know anything about Hvac or aircon?
Oh, sorry. I just know about aircon for cooling only.
Alright, let's see the video.
Alright.
Hvac stands for Heating, Ventilation, Air Conditioning. Hvac systems are used to regulate the temperature, humidity, and the air quality of indoor spaces. And right now we are talking about the residential air conditioner, a common vapor compression refrigeration, or known as VCR system. Most residential air conditioning use R410A as refrigerant. It's efficient and environmentally safer compared to older refrigerant like R22, which was harmful to the ozone layer. The system relies on the refrigeration cycle. The refrigerant absorbs heat from the indoor air as it evaporates in the evaporator coil. This heat is then released outside when the refrigerant condenses in the condenser coil. The compressor pumps the refrigerant through the cycle while the expansion valve regulates its flow. Unfortunately, leaks can occur due to poor maintenance or aging system. If not detected, these leaks harm both environment and the efficiency of the unit. This is why we need to do recovery and recycle process.
Alright, based on the video you just saw just now, do you know what's the importance of recycling and recovering?
No, I don't know.
Okay, like my
Let's
friend.
see the video.
Refrigerant like R410A contribute to global warming if released to the atmosphere. Recovering refrigerant ensure that they don't escape. This is involved safely removing the refrigerant during servicing the aircon.
So why we need to do the recycling?
Oh, that's a good question. Let's see, my friend.
Recycling refers to cleaning and reusing the refrigerant, reducing the need for new production. This helps lower the cost and minimizes the environmental impact. Together, recovery and recycling are critical for sustaining Hvac practices.